Hi everyone, I am Katie from ShopWildThings. I wanted to introduce to you 5 of our brand new trees. These are 4.5 feet tall. We just got them in and they're adorable. They run in the $90 range. We have big giant trees that run into the $1,500 range. They have 50 times more flowers than these, but these are just so sweet and adorable and affordable. They're all very sturdy, so I just wanted to give you part numbers so that you can see them sort of next to each other and also see them in comparison to me. I'm about 5'8". These are, we're calling them 4.5 feet tall. Some of them are a little bit taller. Some of them are a little bit shorter, like the cherry blossom trees, because the leaves bend over rather than standing up. This one would look kind of funny if we bent it down very much, but every single branch is bendable. They're the same beautiful high quality silk flowers that we use on the rest of our trees, so you're going to love these. This is item number 167075. It's a white cherry blossom. This one is 167077. This is Dogwood, very gorgeous pink, soft pink. Pink is very hard to get right in a video or in photography, so I'm it's lighter than bubblegum. This one I would call bubblegum. This is a very, very soft, but not quite blush pink. Maybe a blush pink. So 167077. This is 167071. We also have matching picks, floral picks for almost all of these, and matching bigger trees for almost all of these. So you can get, if you like these, you can get a bigger size too. This is 167071. This one is 167074. Nice base, very, very sturdy. You just plop it on the table and pluck them out. And this is 167072. We call this one Peachy Pink, and it's cherry blossoms. So let us know if you have any questions. If you need videos of any of our other products, you can always ask. We're always happy to help. We love hearing from you. Thank you.